Welcome back, dear creative. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can convert your images to video using Gemo AI. So in previous video, I've showed you how to generate your script, generate your title, turn your script to voiceover, and generate image that you need for your folktales. And right now, I'm going to be showing you how to convert your images to video. You can choose not to do this and just use ordinary images that are changing, but if you can convert it to video, it will make your video more engaging to your audience. So here is how you can easily transform these photos into videos. Now go to your preferred browser and search for Gemo AI. So once you search for it, this is it here. Then you tap on it. So it's going to redirect you to an interface like this, and as you can see here, magically make videos with AI. So I am not going to be describing a video here. I'm going to be uploading my video. So let's just sign up first. After signing up or signing in, it's going to bring you back to this same interface. Then tap on image so that you can upload the images. So the first one was Once Upon a Time in a Village by the River Niger. So we are going to select this one and we are going to allow it to upload. So once it's uploaded, you are just going to tap on submit and it's going to generate my video for me. As you can see here, it's currently queued and it's going to load from 0 to 100 from here with just few minutes. Like I said, there are several AI tools that convert images to videos. Just go for the one you like. As you can see here, it's generated this prompt by itself. Here you see a man standing in front of a body of water. That is because of what it sees in the video. It has just generated it. Then I'm going to tap on download so it can download to my phone. Right, so here is our video. So you can choose to do this for all that's the pictures, so that it can make your video look more engaging. So in my next video, I'm going to be showing you how you can edit everything together to make your story or the folktale you're trying to create. And don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment below if you find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next.